Hello, happy Tuesday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. The date is October 21st, 2025. And our tip today comes from the book Winning Settlements. This is a book by several authors. Each chapter is written by a different lawyer or author. And this tip today comes from Aaron Broussard's chapter, Tactical Advice, Ethics, and Mindset for Settlement. Trial lawyers do not always scorch the earth. They know that certain things will not matter in the courtroom. They plant seeds and keep a few tricks up their sleeves and rabbits in various hats. They know from experience that you can force a defendant to be reasonable if you file too many motions and eliminate all the outrageous arguments they would make at trial if they were allowed. Yeah, this is the tension between settlement and trial, right? Do you tell everything, or do you keep, if I like thinking about it as tricks up our sleeves, but do we keep some of the facts or arguments out of settlement? I guess it depends if you really want to settle or really want to go to trial. On the whole, I don't like to hold anything back. I like to show them what I've got. Now, it is interesting, though, at trial, this idea of you don't have to argue everything, even if you're right about it. I think that's worth note, right? This is noteworthy to say, how many times in trial, I think I can have a successful Daubert challenge against an expert. I think I can limit a defense expert's opinions, and I don't. Why not? I don't want... most judges are fair. They're trying to give both sides, the vast majority of judges, they just want a fair trial. And if I actually strike the defense expert, especially if it's the defendant's only expert, even if it's out of time, and some judges will follow their time limits and deadlines stricter than others, but I think a fair judge is going to say, all right, I strike the expert and I'm going to allow the defense to get another one. Not going to go to trial without an expert. So do I really want that? Many times I don't want that expert stricken. They're so outrageous, I'd rather have them testify. I'd rather have that great cross-examination and the outrageous testimony rather than strike somebody. So it's just an example of strategically thinking about what you want and what you don't want. And just because you're right about something doesn't mean you have to move to exclude it or to push that issue. Let's take a deep breath together. Just be grateful to be alive this Tuesday. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world. May it help repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our clients' causes. May our actions as lawyers today exemplify the profession of being a lawyer at its highest ideals of honor and truth. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, it's Tuesday, wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.